What comes next? That's the question every lifelong learner is wired to ask. And as we close this course, we're not just reviewing what we've learned. We're looking forward to the trends, to the breakthroughs, to the bold ideas that will shape the future of adult education. Let's dream a little. Prediction 1. Learning will be hyper-personalized. No more one-size-fits-all. With AI and data-driven platforms, learners will follow custom pathways that adjust in real time to their goals, interests, and progress. Imagine an experience that knows when you're ready for more and when you need to pause and reflect. Prediction 2. Skills, not degrees, will rule the game. The workforce is shifting fast. Micro-credentials, badges, and digital certifications will become more valuable than traditional degrees for many roles. Adult learners will assemble portfolios of proof, small, stackable wins that lead to big career shifts. Prediction 3. Learning will be mobile, modular, and moment-driven. Anywhere, anytime, any device. Learning will flow into the rhythm of work and life. Short bursts of knowledge just when you need them, while commuting, between meetings, or right on the job. Prediction 4. AR, VR, and simulation will redefine experience. Why just read about something when you can step into it? From virtual labs to immersive leadership training, experiential learning will become more accessible and more powerful than ever before. Prediction 5. Communities will drive the learning journey. Courses will still matter, but they'll be just one piece of a broader ecosystem. Learning will happen in online communities, peer groups, mentorship networks, and live forums. Because adults don't just want content, they want connection. Prediction 6. Learning will be lifelong, because it has to be. The pace of change won't slow down. New careers, new tools, and new problems will demand a mindset of continuous growth. The most valuable skill of the future. Knowing how to keep learning. Prediction 7. Equity, inclusion, and access will move from ideals to essentials. The future must be more inclusive. Learning platforms, policies, and programs will be designed to reach everyone across borders, identities, and abilities. That's not just a social goal, it's a global necessity. So what's your role in all of this? Maybe you're a facilitator, a leader, a coach, or a builder. Maybe you're just starting, or just starting again. Wherever you are, this course wasn't just a roadmap. It was a launch pad. Because adult education isn't just about content delivery. It's about unlocking human potential. It's about creating environments where people feel seen, supported, and stretched. Where learning is joyful and where transformation is real. So here's your final challenge. Keep going. Keep experimenting. Keep reflecting. Keep questioning. Keep believing that your work matters, because it does. In a world that's changing faster than ever before, adult education is more important than it's ever been. And you're not just part of that future. You're shaping it.